Formulas have given us some power to get results in Excel, but Excel has some built-in formulas you can use. These are collectively known as functions. Functions make it easier to do things like summarize a column of numbers, return portions of text, and return counts to your worksheet, among many other things. The parts of a function include the name of the function, an opening parenthesis, which is above the 9 on the keyboard, one or more arguments, and then you end your function with a closing parenthesis, which is over the 0 on the keyboard. Every function must have at least one argument. Some functions accept 2 or more arguments. Some arguments are required while others are optional. An argument can be a specific value such as the number 27 or the text hello world. It could also be a cell reference like A1 or $B $27. It could be a range of cells, for instance A1 through B10. Or it could be the result of another function. Let's look at an example of a function. In this image, we see an example of the sum function. This function is used to add 2 or more numbers together. The parts of this function include the function name, which is sum, argument 1, which is A1, and argument 2, which is A2. All functions follow a similar format. So that's the basics of using Excel's functions. In the next video, we'll look more closely at how to use the most common Excel function, the sum function. And in additional videos, we'll try out some other functions.